Most traders don't lose money because they don't find winners. They lose money because they don't control risk. One bad week, one emotional decision, one oversized trade, and the account is gone. This is where most Forex robots fail. They focus on entries, they ignore survival. Forex Diamond EA is built differently. It is designed with risk management at the core, not as an afterthought. Let's talk about what really matters in trading. Not profits, not win rate, but drawdown control. Forex Diamond EA uses structured position sizing, controlled exposure, and predefined logic to avoid catastrophic losses. It does not chase the market. It does not increase risk after losses. It does not revenge trade. Every trade is part of a system. And that is the key difference between gambling and trading. Most manual traders increase lot size emotionally. Forex Diamond EA does not. It follows math, probability, discipline. This is why it can survive bad market conditions. Because bad markets are not the exception. They are normal. Sideways markets. Low liquidity. Sudden volatility. Forex Diamond EA is designed to adapt, slow down, or stand aside when conditions are not favorable. Now let's be realistic. No robot wins every day. No system avoids losses completely. The goal is controlled losses, small losses, predictable losses, recoverable losses. This is what allows an account to stay alive long enough for probabilities to work. This is where Forex Diamond EA shines. Now, here's where the broker environment matters. Risk management only works if trades are executed as designed. Wide spreads distort entries. Slippage increases risk. Delayed execution breaks logic. That's why Forex Diamond EA is tested in a low-spread, high-quality execution environment. This is where IC Markets comes in. IC Markets provides tight spreads, fast execution, stable conditions for automated systems. This ensures that the EA's risk calculations remain accurate. Using a random broker introduces variables you cannot control, and risk management fails when execution is inconsistent. This is why the setup matters. Correct order matters. First, open an IC Markets account. Second, install Forex Diamond EA. Third, use conservative risk and let the system work. Do not increase risk to speed things up. That's how accounts die. Forex Diamond EA is designed for long-term account growth, not adrenaline. If you respect the system, it respects your capital. If you fight it, it will not save you. This is how professionals think. Capital preservation first, growth second. If you want to trade like a professional, use professional tools. Links are below. Follow the system. Protect your capital. Let probabilities do the work.